Hello everyone, welcome to week 4. I'm sorry for the delay in getting the video to you, but here's the video now. So what are we looking for at hitting the halfway mark of this course? Well, we're going to look at the organization and the influences an organization has on a leader. So the topics this week are learning organizations, organizational theories, and collective cultures. You'll actually get into, besides cultures, a little discussion of climates as well. So the reading expectation for the week, we're back into the green text, Practicing the Art of Leadership, Chapter 4, looking at the organizational influences on leadership. Think of a district, think of the expectations or the culture that they have that go down to a school. Think of a particular school, culture and expectations that a school has or a community has on that school. That all influences a leader. So you'll be reading about that this week. And then also there are two other readings. One article is School Culture versus Climate. There is a difference. I think that was a subcaption from the article itself. But discussing the climate is that mood in the building, mood of a staff, where the culture is this expectation that's there. So you'll read more about that. It's a great article to get us to start thinking about assignment number 5. But we're not there yet, but just letting you know that's a good article for it. And then looking at Lundberg and understanding organizational culture, which I started talking about, district level organization, school level, grade level, department level, all those that factor in. So you'll read that. Lundberg's a little dry, I'll be honest, but it's good information. And then you've got a learning module for this week, still talking about organizational theories. The discussion board this week asks you to think about school climate and culture, and thinking about what's represented on your campus, and then thinking about those first steps onto your campus, what tone or mood is set in as you walk into your campus that sets the culture tone for an individual to understand. This week, at the end of the week, is assignment number 4. Your leadership interview is due. So if you've not had those interviews yet with either your admin or another business organizational leader, please make sure those are done. Somebody's asked about an APA format. Do I reference the people that I've interviewed? Yes, please make sure that you are referencing them. Don't think that you have to keep it as a research component. This truly is an interview with the acknowledgement that they know that they're being interviewed for you to learn and reflect on. So please include them, giving their background of who they are and those elements to the questions that we talked about in last week's live session, looking at their philosophy of leadership, what drives them, how they get others involved, looking at their mental health, how they take care of themselves, those different components. And then the Christian message, which is always optional, but it's a great video continuation from John C. Maxwell on the 5 levels of leadership. So that's the week in a nutshell. Big thing due this week is your leadership interview paper, due by Sunday night at 11:59. And then, like I said, getting an understanding of culture and climate is that'll be a part of the assignment, and I'll give more overview of it. But it's you being reflective on a cultural thing on your campus. That's assignment number 5, which is more organizational chart or a PowerPoint slide, but we'll get more into that. I hope that you have a great week and God bless. Call, text, or email if you have any questions.